Hey guys, I hope all is well. Just wanted to show you this new thing that I have. It's called a Zevo. What it does is it gets nets. I'm not gonna say mosquitoes. I'm gonna say nets because that's what's inside of here. Nets. And when I say guys, I cannot believe how many nets was in here because I was having problems with nets. Like for some reason, I just kept seeing them, but like not this many. Guys, when I say this is pretty, like super pretty. I like it as a night light also. I don't know if you can see behind it, but y'all look at all those gnats. I'm gonna take it off so you can really be able to see it. But guys, when I say this work perfect, if you are trying to get gnats, fruit flies, all that good stuff, try a Zevo. And you change it out whenever you want to. These are the Zevo traps. You have the refills, and they look just like this. So you just snap it in the back. First, actually take off the glue. First, take the old one off, snap it in the back. Take this off and just snap it right in. And make sure you're wearing gloves too. I'm gonna show you guys how to be able to change it, okay? The refill comes with two. You might be able to have more, but that's what it's from Home Depot, the refills. But I got the actual trap itself from Amazon. But when I was in Home Depot, I seen the actual trap. So let me get some gloves. What I really like about it too is that it is a night light at night, so it's really pretty at night. But to me, I mean, you might get more than one, but I feel like it can really start getting expensive if you got too many. I left it in, let's say, for 14 days, but if you don't have that many gnats, you really don't have to change it like that, okay? But let's go ahead and get her changed. Put your gloves on. Hey, baby. My pup over there chilling. Put some gloves on, yeah. Okay, so let's go ahead and unplug it. And I already have my trash. Get your trash bag so you can put it directly in the trash. Okay, y'all, so here is, wow, that is crazy. Here's all the gnats. Who would have known? And I don't know if it's because it's by a plant. You'll be so amazed, y'all, how many gnats a plant attract, as well as fruit. We've been having a lot of fruit too, so fresh fruit. Look at that. So what we're gonna do, you just pull it out like this, like so. Have your little trash bag already ready. Here is the refill. And read the back, you know, just to be on the safe side, to make sure you do it correctly. And remember the sticky stuff is on this side. You just see, you just snap it right on in. Remember the sticky stuff is on this side. Don't have, yeah, okay, make sure don't have the sticky stuff on the opposite side. And there you have it. You just plug it back up. I'm telling you guys, try it. You will love it. I love it. Don't forget to subscribe for more. And if you did try it, comment below. Bye guys. Be blessed.